quick video on this Nissan Xterra. Man, the knock sensor, Jesus Christ. I'm not trying to lift this whole plenum up to do all that work, all that bullshit. So I'm gonna show you an easier way, the way I did it. Some dude did, I saw one person do it, but it was so tight, man. I couldn't just do it the way he did it. So I moved a couple things, few things. You see, let me show you. Okay, this is the Xterra right here. This is the plug. I didn't think I was gonna get it. So yeah, like I was saying, so basically this is the wire right here for the knock sensor right here. It's easy. So this wire, you see the first one, as you see, it goes to this injector right here. You'll see it. It will be the wire right next to it, literally. So I took out this hose as it was over here. It's like a hose. This hose right here, it was like this, like it was connected, whatever. Then I removed this like coolant hose. Hey, if you care about losing coolant, that's on you. Then you can take off this whole thing and do all that work. I'm not trying to do that. So save more time and money, lose the coolant, and just buy some new coolant. That's it. So like I was saying, there's this other coolant line. It's over here. It has 2 bolts on it. Well, I put it right here. This is it right here. See? It'll have 2 10s on it. It will be right there. It will be 2 10s. Let me show you. Let me see if I can put it there. Okay, we connected like this. See, we connected here. You see 10 here, 10 at the bottom. And this hose will be connected over here. Make sure you take that off first before you pull it back. And I put it right here. Okay? So it's easier. So I can have more room for my hand. I don't know how that other dude did it. He talking about he put his finger in there and he got it. I don't know how he did that. And my hands look smaller than his. But anyways, soon you remove that, it will be easier. You just go in there, you'll feel the knock sensor. Okay, you'll feel it. Then you have to press on it. I press on it with my finger. This finger, I press down, and it snapped it, but not enough. And then I use this screwdriver over here, and I use 2 hands. One was holding it like this hand. Well, the right hand, my right hand was holding this up like this. You hear the snap. Then I took this hand and just pulled the back of the connector. Then it just came right out. I was mad hype. It came out because I wasn't trying to take this whole thing off just to go under the lower intake. Okay, this is it right here. And all you gotta do is put your knock sensor over here. This bolt. You get a longer bolt, put it there, and connect it. And it should reach. You see? Should reach. What tool I used? It's I used this ratchet with a 10 on it, just to loosen it. Then I used this finger ratchet right here to take it out, pretty much. Now I'm tightening it. Tightening the bolts back there, you see? Tightening the bolts. Okay, now to super tighten it, I'm gonna use this ratchet to make sure it's tight. Put the hoses back and put the knock sensor, of course. There you have it. Put the knock sensor right there. All you gotta do is take this connector and plug it. There you go. So erase the code, drive it around. This should not pop up again. Okay.